What's up, guys? We're back. If this is your first time, welcome. To all of my adoring fans out there, welcome back. So here's another spot for an avocado, and I'm gonna cut this bush out, which has, I don't know what this is. It's actually very cool looking, but it's in between my Jim Bacon and also my Nabal. So here's the spot. I've already dug another hole right there for another avocado. So I'm in the process of cutting the branches, and then I'm gonna have to dig this guy out. So, all right, guys, you gotta stay hydrated. So, ranch water, spicy, hard seltzer. Well, I thought it would be spicier, but it has a spice kick to it, but it's not overwhelming. Pretty good. Okay, holes are dug. This is the Reed from Brokaw, and here's the Edranol from Brokaw. So hole is dug. This is kind of where I think I'm gonna have them. I'm so indecisive sometimes. It's not good. So right here, let's see. That's the Jim Bacon. That's the Edranol. That's the Nabal. And that's the Reed. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So this Reed I got earlier this year, and I've been meaning to put it into the ground, and considering I got a Reed that turned out to be fake, and I'm glad I got one from Brokaw, which I'm pretty sure is a real Reed. And as a matter of fact, I got fruit on this already, and I picked the fruit off just to give it some more energy to grow. But so if you guys actually bought a Brokaw Reed, this is the color code. Green, orange on the side is Reed, and then this is a Dusa color code, right? So it's red with the brown stripe on the top there. So that means it's Dusa rootstock, colonal rootstock. So it's actually doing really good. It's got this new growth coming out here. It's a little concerned about that because it's it's kind of very soft wood, so gotta make sure that we keep this thing hydrated, and considering it's cooling down, it's the fall and it's cooling down, this is to me perfect time to plant. And some of you guys may say just go ahead and wait until spring. We're in Southern California. You can really plant avocados year round. Just make sure you protect them, you'll be fine. So here, right next to it, is my Brokaw Edranol on Dusa. I don't know if you can see. Okay, there you go. Finally did the correct. And the same thing on the top. Dusa is red mark with the brown stripe. So really excited. This is one of my high-profile must-plant varieties, and you can see it's actually pretty tall already. So I'm probably going to do a stake just to kind of keep it more upright. But when I say high-profile, this is a variety I don't have in the ground yet, and considering this one's from Brokaw, we got to get this thing in the ground ASAP. It's already growing really nicely here, and I should have had it in earlier. But what I really like about all of the Brokaw trees that I've gotten so far is that you can see the stem, the branch is actually really thick, so it's got a lot of energy in there, and it's going to help really push this thing out. So my plan is just to cut this bag, and then all native soil. When you're planting in the ground, do not put organic matter or anything in here. So I'll probably do a little gypsum, maybe a little perlite in the native soil, and just mound it up. As you can see, here's grade. So I got this probably about maybe 6 to 8 inches up, and same thing with the reed. It's a little higher up. So that's been something that's helped me for sure, kind of allow these to drain better, and also keep the root ball from getting root rot. And considering that these are Brokaw Dusa clonal rootstock, they are better at managing all of the things that we're concerned about. So exciting times. This is it's going to be a great weekend. Let's get this thing in the ground and then we'll talk later. Okay, cut the bag on the Edranol. Roots are really looking good, but it was definitely getting compacted in there. So good thing we're doing it now. Also, this is the reed. Roots are definitely looking to spread out here. So all right, the final product, it's in. This is the reed. I got the water line set up to it. It's October 9th, 2022. Reed Avocado on Dusa rootstock from Brokaw, finally in the ground. And as you can see, I mounded it up almost like a volcano. I got my water set up to it already, and it's working well. So excited about a real, that's kind of hard to say, a real reed avocado from Brokaw. And then here's my Edranol from Brokaw, also on Dusa rootstock. And I think this guy's a little lanky because I had it in a shaded area, so it was probably just reaching for some sunlight. So I have it in this spot, which is next to the Jim Bacon, which is right there, the ball, which is right there, and reed. So if you go by type A, type B, reed type A, the ball type B, Edranol type B, and Jim Bacon type B. I need another A, so I'm thinking right here, I'm gonna put another avocado, and it has to be a type A. So maybe another reed. I got an extra reed from Brokaw. Maybe I can put it there. But there's also another spot, and I measured it. It's already 10 feet from the ball to the reed. So right there in the corner. Let me see if I can, maybe right there. Oh, sorry, it's not focusing right. Right there. So as you know, we're trying to stay hydrated. So mango michelada, and I figure I deserve it since we got another avocado tree in the ground. So, and gosh, exciting, because I've been trying to make time to do this, and every weekend's been busy, and the Sunday was the Sunday that we had some stuff in the morning, but I was able to find some time in the afternoon to get these guys in the ground. So what's our count? We officially have 26 avocados in the ground. So this is number 27, the reed, and this is number 28, Edranol. So 27 and 28 in the ground. I got a couple more I got to get in, and we'll see what we end with for 2022. And then, as you know, always look into 2023 and fruit for next year. You know what? I'm going to ask the group the question, what should I put here next to my Edranol? So here are the varieties that I have that are A-type. Of course, I got another reed from Brokaw, Lamb Hass from Brokaw, Carmen Hass from Brokaw, maybe a gem. I got 4 gems, so one of the 4, which is an A-type. I also have a MacArthur, but it's so small and it's dinky, and it was something that I grafted myself, and I don't know if it's going to make it, but if it does, I definitely want that variety. why don't you guys comment down below? I mean, let me know what you guys think, because those are the options. Of course, I also have a Hass from Brokaw on Duso rootstock, so that's another option. We'll track progress. If you guys are interested in growing avocados, you guys are interested in growing avocados in Southern California, and you want to follow my journey and you want to be on your own journey to see how yours does compared to mine, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you stay hydrated. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.